Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa and let's get right into the video. Everything I have linked to be linked down below in the description. And right now all I'm doing is removing her previous set. I do have her tutorial on this set. It will be linked in the description. She asked if I could change her shape to almond, so that's all I'm doing right now. I am using a 100 grit file, then I will use the 60 grit just in case, just a little bit, but I mainly use the 60 grit after I went ahead and applied her acrylic. Now that everything is all removed, I'm going in and doing her nail prep. I use the Mia Secret Dehydrator and the Acrylic Cure Primer to go ahead and dehydrate and prime her nails. Now I'm going in with 876 Naomi Nude as her base. Well, after everything's nice and dry, I'm going in and reshaping. Again, I'm going in with the 100 grit hand file first. Then if I need it, I'm going in with the 60 by 60 grit. And be careful because it is very, very sharp. Now I'm using a 180 grit sanding band to seal the cuticle. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. Now I'm going in with the Model 1's black polish. I did go in with a little liner brush to get nice and close to her skin, but I will be using a cleanup brush and some acetone to clean up any overflow because you do not want to cure that on the skin. And you can go ahead and use the chrome right on top of the black, but we had another design in mind. You will see it a little bit here and there, but I had to top coat over it because I did have to file the 8 off because she didn't like it anymore. So I knew it was going to get in the polish, but you technically only want to cure your top coat if you're going to use the top coat for 30 seconds so the chrome can stick well, because I had to do a couple layers and do some other stuff. The top coat ended up getting cured for way more than 30 seconds. So I ended up having to add the McCart rhinestone glue gel over it and then add the chrome that way. But the chrome can go just over the black. But if you want to use top coat, you only need to cure it for 30 seconds. That way the chrome can still stick to it. And if you use base coat, it's going to apply very heavy and it's going to be very dull. So it won't be shiny at all due to the tacky layer. So that's just 3 ways on how to do chrome. And they all have different looks but similar. The applying it over the black gel polish because it has a tacky layer but it's not that tacky is pretty similar to applying it over the McCart glue gel and the 30-second cured top coat. By the way, I learned all of this because I tried to do the top coat. It didn't stick at all. I was so confused on why it didn't stick because I see everybody online using it. Then I went ahead and applied base coat because I've done that before, but for some reason it was applying so heavy and so dull. But the McCart rhinestone glue is what I used in her previous beach set, which I just removed, and so I knew it stuck for a fact. And so now I'm going in, I'm rubbing it in. This is a makeup wedge sponge applicator, and it works so well for the chrome. Like, this is the shiniest my chrome has ever looked, and I know it's 100% because of this tool. So I really recommend these. You can get them from literally anywhere. I got them from Amazon for literally $1, but you can get them from like Dollar Tree for, I guess, $1.25. So Amazon's technically better, I guess. But after this, I do go in with a sponge that has absolutely nothing on it, no chrome, and I rubbed it over the nails, and that got up any excess chrome. So now there's no chrome in the top coat or just floating around or anything like that. So that is another tip. If you want it very shiny, it just helps you buff it in a little bit more without excess product getting applied from the sponge. And so it just looks so much better. And now I feel like I've gotten chrome down because this set was a ton of trial and error. Now I'm going in and I'm using the Hype rubber top coat, and I recommend doing 2 layers just in general when you do chrome, because sometimes it can wipe off if you do not top coat it properly. So after this, I will top coat, especially those French tip nails, because there was a height difference because I kept having to go over it because, like I said, I tried all those different methods. And make sure you use a brush and some acetone to get up any excess to make sure your set looks nice and clean, and also that the top coat does not lift. After everything's done curing, I went ahead and used my Blossom Cuticle Oil in the scent Hibiscus, and I rubbed it in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.